Hello travelers, welcome to our Hotel Tips channel. Today, we're going to talk about the Venetian Resort Las Vegas. It is one of the most iconic hotels on the Strip, known for its Venice-inspired architecture, luxurious suites, and the unique experience it provides to its guests. To make your reservation safely, I've left the hotel's link here in the video description and on the QR code. Location: the Venetian is situated on Las Vegas Boulevard South, right in the heart of the Strip, the city's most famous avenue. Its location is strategic, close to casinos, shopping malls, restaurants, and tourist attractions. Guests have easy walking access to other major resorts like the Wynn, Treasure Island, and Caesar's Palace, and it's just a few minutes' drive from the airport and the convention center. Structure and atmosphere: it's more than a hotel. It's practically a city within Las Vegas, offering entertainment, dining, shopping, and relaxation all in one place. The structure of the Venetian is impressive in its grandeur. The resort is also connected to the Palazzo, forming one of the largest hotel complexes in the world. Its highlights include a full casino with hundreds of table games and slot machines, Grand Canal Shops, an indoor shopping mall with over 160 luxury stores and international designer brands, a replica of the canals of Venice, complete with gondola rides and architecture that reproduces Venetian squares, bridges, and charm, outdoor pools on a spectacular deck with private cabanas and bars, Canyon Ranch Spa, one of the most award-winning spas in Las Vegas, convention centers and arenas, ideal for events and major shows, rooms and suites. Unlike many hotels in Las Vegas where standard rooms are basic, at the Venetian, all rooms are suites. This means more space and comfort. The standard suites already offer around 65 square meters, about 700 square feet, with a living area, a work desk, and elegant decor. Marble bathrooms with a separate shower and bathtub. Extremely comfortable king-size beds. Options for luxury suites and even penthouses for those seeking exclusivity. The internal space is truly one of the hotel's differentiators, making it ideal for couples, families, and even business trips. Dining: the Venetian is also a gastronomic paradise, with over 30 restaurant options for all tastes, restaurants by renowned chefs like Wolfgang Puck, Emeril Lagasse, and Thomas Keller. International cuisine with an emphasis on Italian, Asian, French, and Mexican. Sophisticated bars and lounges, ideal for a late-night drink. Coffee shops, ice cream parlors, and casual restaurants for quick meals. Guests can experience a true culinary journey without ever needing to leave the resort. Entertainment and leisure: the Venetian offers several options for those looking to have fun. Gondola rides through the indoor and outdoor artificial canals, one of the hotel's most famous experiences. Exclusive shows and performances, including music, comedy, and Broadway productions. A bustling casino with games for beginners and experienced gamblers. Nightclubs and bars, perfect for enjoying the Las Vegas nightlife. Nightly rates: the nightly rates at the Venetian vary considerably depending on the time of year. During the low season, they can start at around $200 to $250 per night. On weekends or during the high season, they can exceed $400. The resort fee, a common charge in Las Vegas, is applied separately and includes internet, gym access, and other services. Although it's not the cheapest hotel on the Strip, the value for money is excellent, considering the size of the suites and the facilities offered. Advantages of staying at the Venetian: spacious rooms, all suite style. Central location on the Strip. A complete complex with a casino, shopping mall, restaurants, and a spa. The unique experience of Venice in Las Vegas. High-level dining. Points to consider: the size of the resort can be a challenge, some internal distances are long. It is not the cheapest option on the Strip. The environment is always busy, which is not ideal for those seeking absolute quiet. Conclusion: the Venetian Resort Las Vegas is perfect for anyone seeking a luxurious, complete, and unforgettable experience in Las Vegas. With spacious suites, a prime location, and a structure that combines entertainment, dining, and leisure, it is one of the most recommended hotels in the city. Whether for honeymooning couples, families, or travelers who want to experience the magic of the Strip in grand style, the Venetian delivers everything it promises and more. It is undoubtedly one of the best choices in Las Vegas for those who want to combine comfort, luxury, and fun. I hope you enjoyed this tip, and be sure to book your reservation now with the link in the video description. See you for the next tip. Bye bye.